Hey, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is for you. I know it's the morning for us. It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. I hope you're having a super groovy day. Let me show you something, okay? Out here in the world of lawn care, resodding, lawn repair, I want to try and make it easy for you, okay? What I'm going to do right now is I'm simply going to top dress this little bare patch. And as you can tell, we do have some very good signs. We have runners of St. Augustine going in here. I almost want to pull this up a little bit and show you that we have good roots coming in, and that is nice and healthy. So whatever was going on here, which I believe it was debris from trees earlier this year from a hurricane, killed this patch. It is coming back, but we want to speed it up. One of my favorite ways to help speed up this process is top dressing. And when it comes to top dressing a lawn, there's a lot of different materials out there, things that I recommend. Flower bed mix and compost, all right? Things that I do not recommend: topsoil, or even in the off seasons, using bank sand. Topsoil and bank sand, especially in our area, are too heavy. I want a flower bed mix because it incorporates compost, sand, and slightly bigger pieces of humus and organic matter that are going to help naturally aerate the soil, feed it, add carbon, and just allow more nutrients to be available and give this little area something better to grow into. And look, seriously, it's that simple. A good quality bed mix, a good quality screened bed mix, depending on the situation. For our St. Augustine lawns, it can be very coarse and it's going to be okay. It will break down just fine. Now, if you have a very fine Bermuda or a Zoysia grass, you want to use a much more screened material so that it'll fall into the grass much better and not cause your blades problem or just be too chunky. All right, but with St. Augustine, it's not really an issue. And if it's really, really compacted, I would even recommend going so far as to using a regular hardwood mulch, because that will break down and help retain moisture. And as it breaks down, it's going to naturally aerate the soil. So if you're trying to fix the lawn, top dress it. Thank you.